tie. Mena musia o wiawo. Ndi watem. On kasentia o. Utami mo beji akoja o. Obuade. Come. Emu ma de say, Erade. Who's here to say?
Yes.
The boy Baswai.
Jaminsi to
Pema na Michio. Michio, yeah. I won't be here. That's why Mama and son. Mami Achra. That na power. Of a summary. Of a semini. Eh, what one and one see do. Yeah, some more. Chiabushia. Samuel Jamrome. Ajamensa. Ain't it? When I was here, a precker said, any man feel. It's so called Facebook says here, Unya, you do a YouTuber. A Dream FM 97.1 a rara. Frony and Akatran is there. Then go to a bar. I pay this money. What to say? It's your good. What do you make? Machia mi amito. Mami Ajra. Obi na yete. Watonko. Sende osidlele. Waka. Amanzibada blue was it day. You like us, mommy. You like us, mommy. Mommy. Manami Sheda. Boje, Kefie, Billy Mommy. Bojomi, no animal of you. Only small boy, Kefie, Smomy. Manami She. Can you take a day for some Give me the show, lemon, come on, no more. Please, get me some more, so mommy, no, Please, get me some more, so mommy, no, Now, Dream 97.1 FM. FM 97.1. Rara, Amamba Fee. Means. Ansana yene Reverend Ariana Hinkraba Edin Komano. Record Rara Government Hospital. Yeah. OT Regional Hospital. Yene Administrator Waho. Rani Di Edi Endes. Haji Akudin Komo.
Can change for some but she waits. Get me the show, will I bend the mommy, Herman in the tomorrow. I own these tomorrow. Let me tomorrow, some mommy, no honey, me shed. Me tomorrow. Let me tomorrow.
Catch it when you say you're live for YouTube. Dream FM 97.1 ra you know any sir ben nakakeni yani Reverend Ariana Hinkraba do not friend said the fireman yani no edin komo bebre na at the far Rara Government Hospital. Expansion beer, and I'm not to so. And then more. Expanded a theater. I want her. I bear for dear. Now, what Chinabino will be Piara, war bar. I are a piano. When I are a shakron crown. Then I bear beer, no. No, any any Ra Ernest Haji Ebedin Komo Sene expansion no Sene call and afi and watching so no
now
and you're my band in your base
no shot now
and I say and who be here na ma hospital na eka behwe wa mutie ye fi amanane mumunti ene ye sa program yi sare ye be ya wo so mo benya kwanya na maboa ama bibia akonkan hello rara OT Regional Hospital anti ye sa aka ora NS Haji ewo Maso, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
You are welcome to my program, sir.
Yeah, thank
you. We called to find out the progress and then the speed up of the expansion at the hospital theater. How is it going, sir?
Yeah, it's going very fast. We are making time.
Can you position yourself well, because it's like there is break in your airwaves?
Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
I think that the project is going on very fast.
Okay.
Very, very fast.
Yeah, explain.
Yeah,
because if
we are. I think the project started a month ago. Yeah. But we are at the election level now.
Okay. Okay. How urgent do you think this program will last?
We are looking at maybe in 3 months from now. I think that we'll be able to finish.
Yeah, sir, let me call you back again because it's like your line is not proper.
Okay. Let me position my best again.
Thank you. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, please.
Okay. So, sir, those who are listening to us from the diaspora, they are asking if there will be a need of some equipment and what type of equipment will the hospital need?
Yeah, thank you so much for the opportunity. Because it's an expansion work, we have realized that the already existing theater cannot take up the expanding needs of the hospital. Okay. That is why we are expanding it. At first, we have only one bench, one theater bench there, while sometimes cases come more than 2 only. So that is why our medical superintendent, Dr. Ned Godwin had to go out to lobby for an expansion of the theater to meet our increasing clients' needs.
Okay.
So, of course, because it's an expansion work and we want to have more than one theater bed or theater bed capacity, that is why we are doing this expansion. And of course, we may need almost all the things that a theater may need. So we are talking about the theater bed, and then we are talking about the anesthesia machines.
Okay.
For anesthetic purposes. We are talking about the patient monitors, ventilators, surgical instruments, defibrillator, and all the other instruments that may be needed at the theater will be needed there too, because it's an expanding way.
Okay. So for now, what will be the capacity after the expansion? The capacity of the recovery ward over there? There will be a recovery and a patient waiting ward also. How will the capacity be?
Yeah, we are looking at 10 to 15 capacity beds for the recovery.
Okay.
Already we are having around 4 there.
Is this surgical or what do you call it? Accidental patient?
No, this one is a recovery for the surgical. Yes.
Okay.
And this is a recovery. They have to be monitored for some time. The patients after surgery has to be monitored for some time before they move them to the wards. So of course here, because of the original design of this place, we don't have surgical wards.
Mm-hmm.
In the future, we are looking towards getting surgical wards.
Okay.
So normally we send the clients the male, female wards, and because they have special needs, we have to keep them somewhere called recovery ward,
okay,
which is in the theater currently.
Okay.
And then the expansion is also going to take care of this, as we said earlier, that we have 4 and we are looking at 10 to 15 for the recovery. For the recovery. After surgical procedure, we have to be there monitored for some time before, just before they move them to the male wards and the female wards.
So beside that, what are the other instrument or equipment that is urgently needed?
We need like the diatomy machines.
Yeah.
We need like trolleys, instrument trolleys.
Okay.
Wheelchairs. We need wheelchairs and then stretchers. Because sometimes from the ward you have to push them into the theater.
Okay.
So we will need stretchers to push them to the theater.
Okay.
So yes, everybody that we are with the contacts in the medical department, anybody that we want to know the details of this can contact us, and then especially the medical department will give the team of all these things that we will need at the new theater.
it's like the airwave is not helping us. So, for instance, if someone want to help in donation, what measures or what procedure have you put in place? Do you have a contact numbers, or you have an email that the person can contact the hospital administration?
Yes. As you know, my number is readily available all the time at 9 during the day for any contact. My number is 0540 679 220. Yes.
Once again.
And 0540 679 220. Yes, NSFB. Yes, then of NSFB.
Okay.
Yes, then of course my medical superintendent number 2 is readily available.
Yeah.
And that is 02400 6 0
6040 9.
Yes, Dr. Bobby Labiko. Or if anybody wants to reach us through email, they can reach me out through ERNEST X as in multiplication sign AVE. That is Ernest Keve at gmail.com.
Thank you very much, sir. We will come back to you tomorrow. Maybe by then the airwaves will be a little bit clearer than this.
Yeah, I think it's raining there too. That's why.
I've just been informed that it's raining over there.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much for contacting us.
Welcome.
We are grateful.
Yeah. Bye. Yende Hospital Administrator. Ura NS Keve and any na couldn't come on. What should I say? Laura Government Hospital, ye be Fedia Grove this year. Baby, your friend is a theater. Was say a merasso says, Umunya Abefo theater, Ebesum, a year Obibia, and in Tiam Found, Senipano Ufri Tamale, Ufri Takrabi, Ufri Boriga, and answer Ufri Tama, crying. A flower, no about a Rara Government Hospital. I say, Uber yet. Surgical operation. When you pepper send a butcher for a yellow. Minty, be a minty. Here, no mabia. I bet Pijamu Acosro. Joria Tuya. A woman yamwa. Any a debia, a ya, Reverend Daniela Hinkura Ekano. Was a entrancing train a buying. And in Timor Mutia, our manane. Any baby, number 2. Maybe I now person contact administration now. You're moving come on. Wait me, Sika, bet me, and bet me, BBA 0540 679 220 0540 679 220.
Now, no shot.
I'm here. You better call man so now. Yeah, it's a Reverend Daniela Hinkura. Apomudi was some near can. Krama Chemu.
You so many other now what to say.
Rather do metepa.
Otepa, and Yaba could be.
Debbie. Reverend Daniel Ahinkra, don't want to said the fireman. Akwa yebedin komo na yebedin komo akọ kwan foforo so nemum ansa na yebehye ase no yema omoni ye pa
Eda wase na mechia oni wetifo nyina nemum paibo eda mo ase
yo sesi ane ne hospital administration edin komo me gidi se na wutie
maybe me baswani.
Okay.
To be honest.
Any omudi nkomo bisa omo se adwuma ekoso wo theater no. Se no mu hu no omo se ekoyi. Na America edi no. Wo mususu se wo mu bewie kura ansa na emra wo mo de ama contractor no adu. Eni ntina twa ne twa se yeda wase. Na administrator di tuja se. Se wo mu bie eye theater ni mu ntino. Sebi obakofo ensa etimi nkata nyankopɔ ani nti obi a obetimi aboa no won hwɛ ne awo ye so na wono nso emeboa hospital no wo kan sɛ ombehia bibi te sɛ empa enye mpa bia keke ombehia surgical beds ahodoɔ ombehia eye anesthesia machines ahodoɔ ena afei so ombehia eye wheelchairs ena afei troll ena eye ne amre pagya yarefo no omo friend stretcher ene ne yakeka ho bebre o se nioma de omu hia bi enkanea hodo a yede ye osi obi so ye operation omu hia ena afei so omu hia droben ahodo ne ever ne instruments no enso omu hia bi na yede atodwa dodo na etie ye sese me no ka say ye wo YouTube obi a hwe ye e wo so na ya na wase ewa na mo a wotu ye na ye tiafo eno nti ene ye hya ase ero mese ye bedi nkomode ne mum ye di kan da wase
Asida nyame dia ona ma ya hoden ono na ma yetumi ni ne yi na nti ye fa asida kese ona sam ye bi kan na asida PC ma nyankopon all glory belongs to him.
Wọ́n sẹ́ yá mẹ́ni ó di sẹ́ nkọ̀mọ́ Ifá hospital theatre ne ho a yá mi bisa o sẹ́ díẹ̀ ne bá wájú ẹ̀rọ bisa abiri bi yá onipa baako ne to anamọ́ na ẹ̀de nhyira aba ebusua mu saa nso na onipa baako to anamọ́ bi a ẹ̀nyẹ́ a etimi di nnome aba ebusua mu díẹ̀ ne bá wájú ẹ̀rọ díẹ̀ ne bá wájú makora.
Jenkuto ni sebio mi onipa bi a sana nyame abomi. Ni obi a mitimi ho se mi hu obi wa ho kire no magya no ho se mitimi ho bibi a ni ye ebi anasi ni yakwa na se mi sike kire nipa na hospital ewo Mikrom eho ne ewo me ene sa wo the mountain se bia koye hospital ya na serve the whole accommodation sa copy krachi obe fa basa copy ho hoy. You know, sa coping pando, and even the only hospital a Nkwaji hospital.
Yeah.
As a Nkwaji hospital, ni here, I was a Beijing Kwana, and I the best nipa area. Ya na ajuni kakra. Enti se bibi wo ho nipa obi tuya di aboa agye kwa. Nipa hu hia. Enti eno na aka makoma. Se wo hospital ho na hwe theater ho. Na nkofo amokakoye sebio surgery na yetiti nkunwe bi so ayi ewo hospital ayi theater na nimu a bench bi kura nya babi mpontuna
nokre
kumu ha mi wono se kwakoye surgery a weeks before abekoye surgery oye ye de be fam no kura na hwe kura na ho ato surgery no kura onkonkoye bi na so no uba ya na Ghana okwakoye surgery kura ni ebo no akotrasi ya be surgery table no so na bed no so na me kra dwani no dada
emre bi me ko bi pikura ko soro ma me ba fie
exactly and I surgery no so a some space
recovery
say you surgery no na ye de wako to main ward baby enye no sa it you dey to recovery ward Enti ni omo ye wo hoyi enye say ye spami theater keke. Recovery ward where they take at least 15 beds in the befa.
Yeah.
Omo ye surgery ni ya. Omo ye surgery no omo nurses in doc. No more monitor wo.
Okay.
Well, distance if you surgery echo no ward na fini ward na say children. I say doctor be do na me be see. Yeah, na me be see sidaba.
Yeah.
And so we recovery wa omo den theater kwa it me dan we be ebe show. Yeah. Enti ye nkwagisem no na chese ma me motivation na say we tie bia no we ya metumi. Enti no na maka chow.
Yo. Akura ye bedo wase ewo ho. Ye wo just 4 minutes. Ye nko yenim kakra agenda. And now no many would come for agenda or project bia o sha see mrebi. O ye no ma hodo be. And one who makes kakra na say o say me sorry now so sorry. Anything me ma sorry. Ma sorry. Anything obi agenda member e dey na o ka kire no na no pay.
We are a member of the agenda project. We culture say ma humre so. And yeah, project I kabu munko to me. Yeah. Project no obit a project on your own, which we have being now what to be yes baby. Okay. And I say what proper important. Na nearby as a group, as a collective body, no. And maybe you can have and you be deciding on what to do. Na near this year, any number of you are a beer, yadi and back home, a year or so regional.
Okay.
Into a month for Kikao or now, one more. Esho musapo musu na mrele swa ya dibetuja ama ubiati na ubia babeboa agenda yu ubia di nye members nonko na yeba as a reformed agenda.
Thank you.
Yeba this time maybe nyankopo ama yusu ya huefi nye di kanye na huntino yeba this time no emise mukano ebeche nye ya di kanye sebi ya di kanye tiempa iboni iya
yo akura yebe wase adope china yebe san aba wakachi biom ene nsem foforo
nda si chia bisu afo nyina mami na me ma wa afo nyina so yako me se ayi okru ntino se yako ne ka no se den
shedding
ya mi shira mu nyina me ma nyina shedding ya ma nyina shedding
akura me da wase pi
we na si nti wo so da si nti nyame adoma chira by this time be sakasa
ya da si Reverend Daniel Ahinkra ene na kudi nkoma no
I say me.
Springtime Educational Center and then they were for war or say Little Springs Daycare. Be the atumu. I know you want more aging koda. Busumi Siakosi and Fieno, Emi and son. Say we are Jumani, and now you're Kriani. We are Auditoni. Ukoja was a foul Baby Jano. Now, what better tell me, can say, I'm a teacher for a quadre, I won't quadrati TMO. And I face you a radisho, oh, Mumu. But it's no crown, poor Macodano, Sebi. I don't know about Chencran, one pet, so about hobby. Springtime Education Center or Rara, Fresh 0554 494 205 0554 494 205.
Come take my honey from your
Pentecostal Prayer Fire Ministry, Jessica and Womo Bay, Waterworks. We are pumping machine in one. Reverend Maxwell Augustine was it how do you know Bebre said? A day cry and a Wufemu Abrabomu was a can way. Ready to me, and what is sorry, any free Ufomono. That's why yet Chuma. Jam Piebo, now boy Radinchi. Reverend said, he said, Tini Atoni, he said, soon Sumeja. That's what better to call Bow. Come Piebo Bia, and that's a do a radian. I could do that water, and you may not song. You see, you may not crown by Bocos. Johnson, I water and a pa. Non Croncosi Pramotobre. The vampire. If you are you may not song, non crown. And also Empire Bopre. Non Christiana no pa. Non Croncosi, non Bacron. I was some embre. One year consultation fee. Was he a demarqua? Yes, we am from Macqua. I like the way you smile. Zeus Major was a friend of Jessica. I was 0243 705 927. 0243 705 927. Take my hand Maulam Enterprise Warara. So I am mattress I would do in there be precise be Albinia. Also, and also, yeah, or rubber, women in a be a hall. People she also quasi kurua. Yes, more and I feel so uncle Ubenebi. I feel so when a rubber can take. One my dear, sorry, that I know any division anymore. Oh, rara. Presido. That was 0558 119 498. 0558 119 498. Rexoma was a palm one seller. Was he a fee the palm one seller? You go kill me. Ah. Priscilla, Jampama. You go kill me. Good morning. I draw any flower. I draw Kunkumbagia. Apollo, I draw. I don't pay me chiao. Richmond Enterprise, other policies say, or Rara, nay, what they do be a free a KJB, Boja, they know what they are about a check or freezer who do beer or double door, tabletop, chest freezer, or television set beer, brandy beer when he boss will be a beer or TV stand or kettle or blenders or decoders, solar panel or air hair dryers, standing fan, ceiling fan, MP3, home theaters, and then a kick hole. Oh, rara. You run about road when you actually grab more. We do hot with San Benkumaso and Sana would do a year blessed chemical. Richmond didn't come 0540 796 806 0540 796 806. We friend one watch your soul. I say, your bony dear, or better so. What you so, I want you super papa. But you have what man. What my dry nay and Crawford to a goose. Ah, one more and no more. It is some way, dear. Have what my senses, dear. Wow, my name Moja at me a quite here, who will be a so bois. My Moja appear a memo. Today, O Confitria, who Moja ye. Come take my emblem, Pemu. Uncle Pebby taught no more. Council and a ma whom you think. The answer come on, I'm more prepared. More than more 80. Uncle Pebby no more. sanso na siesie ma nipadua de toso na say mo amube ho agya nkuto mu se nipadua na boma ya boatima do aboto ase a odu sunkwa a obenya bi na say lumo store opebi to ho jase kan ko du vie bi wo ho rawra odu agya nkuto store a obenya bi ato sanso na odu dan buy a record obenya bi wo ho ato for Heba Center water power menya one in the draw by yeah for boy 0245 839 108 0245 839 108 Adaptic symbiotic technology. Omo ewo America brochi memo and one day a year. No one so I go for so aba. Nay, one fertilizer with the abano. Bio ensure and a face so bio tanko. The go for so for the so no so. I'm a winya so fast war. This is how the bro more. Dua and I say atoko tomatoes and a fresh so jende meko watermelon cucumber and I say nyadua carrot cocoa bayire and a free near kika home was it Fabico Busso just a kind Hanan agro maybe so a big agro Inzato agro maybe a water that's all I would do a Kedebia Brad Redeem agro Papa Johnson God is good enterprise if you are hot Rara some man of Pokuanamo about to say clinic runabout to maybe at all when you pay phone in combine I was 0246 719 532 0246 719 532 so and I may bold they will actually say the message ship Sushamabia and a Fibia Bakan ha a besitema one more a day surgical doctors I would draw and a bar one more your patient would be this area will tell you, no pen on one yet. Maybe a compound the wall so a chore. A my dear, mamma dear, 1 more year. If you now want to war, a correct. Just show. I'm up and say, yes, said you, amount. You're proper, you know, amount when Nipadia so tosso. Was a can work. Fibroid in the how war. When I call register, our hospitals are who do ya? Maybe I will boss you. Said Busuma, I will remuno. And I want mobile share a year. Operation, I say. Registration, I shall see the dada. Maybe a 3rd June. Political one. Water my General Hospital. Sugakope District Hospital. A few hop. One new Capre. Rara Regional Hospital. Do also Metrodine. Tamale West District Hospital. Wa Regional Hospital. Sunyane Municipal Hospital. Sevioso Government Hospital. Kuma say South Central Hospital. Takura de Fia Nkwanta Regional Hospital. Cape Coast. And your Cape Coast Municipal Metropolitan Hospital. Rade. God na control de Sikajie bia nimo. I was so akwaya operation come on. Metro de dia to melane so aya frau. Na wabeje. Females Vital Heba mixture in the capsules. I do one out to this say again. Sunday and what dear what draw the moon to yet you must say a giant. A guy as a tyranny, a giant. Bois Emily Pedriano, a CSU, Titiru, a man. Mema ema yesisi yade ekọ. Ama ye prawa wetimi adane wo ye.
Sugar mama.
Anko ye 1 minute bia. Yade emusi so a enhuru kura do awi.
I like the way you rock.
Dan so na oto ase twetwe o. Ya dodo na friends sciatica. Etu ase ye. Mema kosi animu anu ajamu. Wa mo papa. Dan so na mo amuni atenka. Ema ne mema nyina. Wa mo watenka sore. Rate enu achi e de aduane si wani mu a bedi no agibio madi rara lekem pharmacy bi wo ho let's come ka benye bi na fe so bi akoye aboto ase gabasa na fe kedem pharmacy du wa benye bi ato just kan Northern Gate pharmacy na fe bi dro fie keje bi Northern Gate pharmacy na fe yaw no ono mo benye bi ato Dudu atua. Renome e was 0241 206 632 0241 206 632. Tobe Amegba Vivi Spiritual Herbal Center. Oh, rara. Tobe says, "Oh, hon kwa dia." Your friend disappointment. Unya bita. Sound so and I was so diabonia. Zebra, wabeboa. Ujin somoja. Yemre, I was seeing him. Jepim, and I say Mubona, ya was stroky. Siadia woo. Show bar, not to offer home. Now, warriors in fear, they all need to Makra and Toby Mauda. What's a bra? Unya Bambo. The boy Manina Conkai. Oh, rice make contemporary so. Brow the fear horrible pen or war. You know me, 0596 880 498 0596 880 498. Joko the electrical plumbing and tiling works. Our Old Town Junction was done by Wato Ayatas Honioma plumbing Honioma and of electricals and Honioma. The Kawana Bra, we are contractor dear what wedi. Sansan in Yoma, what on a papa. Banswa, Wabemo, a advice be a here. Sanjay Crawford. Omo person mushie juma bo bin so ayo juma ma o frɛ na ba be ye dia ma o you know me nie 0246 575 664 0246 575 664. The program's manager say Cosmos Asari.
Oh, sugar.
Unbeatable one.
I like the way you walk. I like the way you talk.
And Cheme Waba.
I like the way you walk.
Abre Manyan Tias, Kashebe will be a move. Oh, rara, them recruit. They are not paying. Ayopia, those would be a more Jacrabaso.
Take my honey fire.
Sister, don't call. I'm so beautiful. But to be a spot, a custom. Hajia at the same. Will be a pomadia, my party, Hajia. Can you say Hajia? Yeah, me Reba Coupe. Bitch, I'm a wamba. Buy a better so. And that's my cat was in Como. Me only papa be a bush here. Now, and should be at almost here so. How woman in a salon. My mini young Semono, Momokwa, Momo bread, and son almost and shoe. And in tea or pair a bushia, never as a croa, and a cotu and shoe so. Send a bear, no nebequa, no white near Sabi. Now are the corona to one, no papa, no bequa, no so dear, sir, no jar to her. When a papa ne call ye, and a cofa a ye croado. I mean, I will Bosome, I mean, a corset or quack sense you. Or one a papa ne bar a yen shoe. Or Bano Kuta Croado. And a man, I say, Papa, we need Papa, Papa, we need to buy. I don't know, yes, sir, but Bonnet. Papa, say, my minute did not come. You know, Cassie. Didn't suma tatano. Mama, me no kasi. O da hosi sia wotie. Mama no odi papa na tem. Ana se wani na tem. Sia yenye papa ne dan. Etie fo mre ne so a. Bebia o manatum. Na ya boa maami. Se ne de bia yeye no no. Ye fa no kure. Eni asemi. Mama no asemu nye da yen kan kire. Pano so asemu nye da yen kan kire no. Sani ebeya asujue ebeba wo muntemu. One ese wo pachew ye mana sonte. Ene ye nkomo ye ba bedie ni e. Icha me waba. Wapetu. Tobe amabavivi ababedu rawa. Wabedu rawa mpekam. Isenti wa chichine dancheye. Pomodi ase wudi mrika. Jasi kan for apoto asu kwamu krom katanga apese kubi. Na odi asempa enaba. Ya ebe gane sikasemesi. Ebi a wahwehwe awo apre. Ejuma sem ayeti basa. Ya de etiti obiabo tupe. Anampo akọ hospitals awodo be praise. The one thing at the mouth. Bema as you so ba wale. As you do e agro so adu sika. When bema so say mo ba wale anamotia wale emu. Wo fo na on person we do so bi. Ana wo ban so e bu kata be pa to ba mabra. Ye be boa. To be ebo aye nipa ni ajapade ho ba. Twase ana e kire ya de e me haw. Musumi bia wo de na eba. Wo de kwa de muru bosomi. Sa wo da e na eba. Nya etie bia wa mukọ nsuo so eya ne obedi kura na ayedene bosumi akatua yesi government pay sika na obeje na ekanko na de wani uhu na edi sika na ye afi wa we business ekanko na meno tobe amababi si bra no betimi aboawo mudiri hye bi akodi akwanto montene ka onfre mo so fa montene ka obi a sabi wa free mu person wa de konto of mu a tobe si bra obefra no jama wota wo som gae basa bema obemma mo emre sanso aba opia wade mudiri hye wa fancy cocoa. Why no coin and the Libani high and they go to Benny Dahume and a bit of Ghana. Rara rice mill quino, 3 session pantono pay. And I say, rice mill quino would do get now stone on one. Ginahono, never to be Amabavivi. Will bet to me after Tobe Ewa Ahuma Yuso 0596 88 0498 again 0596 880498. Tobe amabavivi muhaunti enamaba.
Ago novinya ole madu ago nemilo abale chichi ogwene dolele manya amanovio dolele nya amagbetopo futo keke kojire ka kumeka fono the Healer Herbal and Spiritual Center kojire odanado ade pojopojole ntume na maha adudosa am vivima semasena andudu numo bebe ike yevu den konabe halitosis akrakle ayikume dolele ke me alele hale fudano wa jabana gere the Healer Herbal and Spiritual Center lagogomanyao ne dabaje amareji geremieji na maha ne vi maji kuhiole jiwa geremieji ne enyamare ike ochutina alo elagblede aglemeleji imo ele doresi arewo mele eji imo Geremeji, the Healer Herbal and Spiritual Center, Nipona Bobomanyao, and Migara Amatumento Akau. Akpọrọ nukale ji nwere wagbeme ha gerenieji na na-akpọ bojoy tobe kpona gajenyenye le amagbeti kewowo ji a tasiremi awo na oji nije nkume tapa abotu asi arisi gbedoho fukane gojipola le 053 71 39 333 magayake 053 71 39 333. The Healer Herbal and Spiritual Center. Dolelo kata from Robepe.
So yeah, we diabetes in pressure is stress, hepatitis B Friday. So everyone a job for Claudia. You should doctor to a CMG. And tell my already doctor to a so eye problem on swat. Go now, Crampo Swat. So you're 1 minute man at Crampo Swat. To show the chin fire. Seconds and how so remember you were from Crampo Swat. You the chin fire, not a so prostate cancer Crampo Swat. So open so permanent bambala sexual weakness. Hepatitis B. Menstrual pain. How that you
Social Prophet Dan Kofi Dr. Tu Asieti Kwan. Ewa ataku. Baby isi foni jina anopebia no. Ufrike jebi eko di asekan ataku mo mfimfo. Ana ufrike asekan eko kejebi no. Ataku mo ewo mfimfo. Social Prophet Dan Kofi ewa mama iso. 053 Dan Kofi 88 Dan Kofi 44 Dan Kofi 66 Dan Kofi 9 Dan Kofi.
There is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain, break every chain. Break every
Jacob from a train which is a good night. We would be a real as I say, offer as a food penny for one day already being born Piaman on our son or go. Now, Benya, son, answer Beneda or Braboso, Kunya Beneda was so. How Ben a tater war? We will catch a Brabo PDD, make Kanama Jadian, Nipa Bena from Mudi and the moon, and you riding and go quite a bit to make a cardio about crown, what was it Nevia, Matia Sampa, a terrible back home, which is a word you know a tree. Someone way Juma Brenna was one this when no mom in chain and Mamma Wahome, we had a floor, a total so to give you a Pentecostal fire prayer ministry with just a kind, as we just a kind locals opposite what I was for pumping machine. Your friends we a hotel fee, one son in Costa will buy and you see Casem, our Western, or Juma Sema Basa, and could be see who dear my woman or Lucia, the entity will be a Encoyo or Babu to give you a more echo Pentecostal fire prayer ministry just a kind and young coupon number so for Reverend Augustine Maxwell so trading and man your friend is so major or to suffer Sebrana anyone song Jordan Bia and Raymond song costume on crown young water and a pan on crown costume separate better if you that and Raymond song costume and remain on crown and I could see that was so effie and a pan on crown costume said Dubaco Babo consultation a free the Enkiana so to Gideon among now for who dear by your dear I feel sign and Raho do I one call so say diabetes, hypertension, when in a how Bema will be the video and our emblem will come and a Yarahu doing Brana Susumeja better than a tear amount. First spiritual father Susumeja, Reverend Master or Gerson are on that Pentecostal fire prayer ministry and all with Jessica. Number 0243 705 927 0243 705 927.
Break every chain, break every chain, to break every chain, break every chain, break every chain.
Bishop Media Farmer at the Baptist Company Limited. So, if Mokua, Ghana, Wakopa, a woman was so, and the other Joshua, a kilo, a young and one, Biakasia, Gilly Celeste Biopa Mixture and Capsule. A Gila and a man every a Guyano. You are now see a guy. A game and another company, Amagana, Libya. Nancy the Libya said, a Libya now so on the making Abuano. So everyone was trying to come as in Celeste Biopa Mixture and then the capsules. And you'll be a million team. A game will be a seven, the name myself, and that printing Keja. Bema ntimi man no so kra Bema ntimi pida no ho e Bema sabi we version now is see a little game also agree you can put the amount again you bra e be bra ma ntimi tia so e bra so e be ma me be be pisa no Bema no mama Bema no tia so e bra so yi na we tia ba eduma na ma ma piafo e bi yeah sabi in Latin can so you ba so you Bema Libya every Celeste Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsules and a man will be a guy. Collaborative women, what they can't either. Now, take Popra, collaborative will be now. Now, they will say a bill is near Messipa. I think we are looking to say the blue one man, which is or how park is here. Oh, but now we think to Nasa Moses and Map. A baby, a dear red wow, a Celeste Vita Herbal Mixture. Collaborative will be them. The more which you call it, come, the amount. After so, open Jow, a 50 Kumua, a dear red wow, a Celeste Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsule. After so, everyone must say you are going to lie. Number W. You are bar now to say, but you are even the battle till you are. So, no doubt gold, bright red. You know, that's a bright trader. And I said, we look at our number to a trap every amount. After so, if this was said, the class of kitchen, the local sciatica. You are sciatica, a good bit of wow, a man down low. If you share a little let you tap a clown, a guy, Celeste Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsule. A woman, a real growing team. Now, in the movie, a the pen nitric oxide. Say nitric oxide, no. We are a boy problem. Until years, until I can't carry. Bobby Bloom, Bobby Bloom, I'm going to maybe a percent. The CC, and your neurotransmitters are safely available and ever. And then I say, Victor Zawa, and I say, okay, that's how neurotransmitter. It's not bad that I'm a pain, and I say, yeah, it's not a thing. Again, it means neurotransmitter within the everything. Now, sign the back. So we see and a young Zah. Zawana waiting, oh, see, again, ever the stopping. You should be coming. Now, the news are only let me walk every amount. 86 years,
Only out of war, I have a year to crying. You took crying so. I was a pet baby, you better. Now, baby, I better know. I was a pet baby, I go your come. This house went tea, and I make out for Afterwall Lodge and restaurant at the amount. Afterwall Lodge and restaurant at war, as soon for 1 year to you. Environmental one so a come. One ever big and medium conference hall. I have asked the officer your conference. You want to at the term of the year, or do I hear and sana and may have council the conference Enterprise a conference one was Academy one bed and breakfast and so on. They don't say Okoda Afewa Lodja, one ever serve in shoe, one best serve and son, and have the piano. Yes, Okoda Honor China was a run of us, Okabon Tia Kokudi, one bambon some so a camera, one more rooms and get to one month, single rooms, double bed, and a deluxe rooms and so on. None of one a very affordable. Let's say our phone cry. One has a Raura Government Hospital, our damn by quantum phone. So, but to me, after one load at the phone command, it was 0248 443 316 0248 443 316. After one load, and I say we serve you better. And your papa and your papa Mascot Enterprise. I don't know if Sule, I can home appliances a budjuma, not a check, none of who ding out the castle and not sending about one of the Piera, mobile home appliances, our modern enemy stores, and your Juman. One call Mascot Enterprise. I don't know if Sule and Quadrimodi. Auto cylinders, fridges, tabletop fridges, our single and double door, deep freezers, fridges are your single door and a double door, small, any big sizes, after one standing fridges, your double door, down freezer, any top freezer, 7 woofer, every single them and also stove, rice cooker, flat screen TVs, say 32, 43, all sizes and inches are open beer, the pictures are so clear. What? After so auto ceiling fans, any standing fans are a ball from a year. Sule, Eto, Iron, Ayadutuniama, Peter, radio sets, electrical wires, wires are good radio, a gas cooker, washing machines, air conditioners, microwaves. Sule, Eto, the center tables are F, most of the pen drives, and memory cards, computers, and William Auto, and cover this from your fast of fire and Danoa Chinchina, Auto, and your papa, Ewo, Mascot Enterprise. Sule, we want boy a club, many of my boys at the phone, and say Kutu, say Bam, who pursue a Chakwaya, who just kind, what do you put Junction, Woofrey, old police station, what there are all the said Junction, Claudia, Equity Junction, or Southern Kuruso, now Woofrey Junction, at the bar, or Sony Faso, Stola, Woman, Water TV, dishes, horror, Boga Horror, Flashing, I was 0248 859 138, 0248 859 138, and your papa Sule, I go for the good, catch on you say, and your wish and no passion or dire soul, send a radio presenter. Kesiye Ghana memo anye ema passion ana udaya suyi enkada kesanse Radio Vision Training Center Robite any Dream 97.1 akabomu ebia konya kesiye edi amount Radio Vision Training Center ye twani tiafa ne Robite any Dream 97.1 FM edi abosumi 9 ebe mount tiye ewo nsenchu adwuma nu amoba be yo kuni nipa obroni meka se intensive training omo tete wo radio presentation newscasting and reporting broadcasting, media law and media ethics, radio production techniques, and alfei. Ometito among said the Casa Obedri. One of the biggest MC across the country. And for only send your voice here, Radio Vision Training Center, everyone very good voice training. And for only a Juma and also Ubetimia journey Radio Vision Training Center. It's answer on classes now on weekends there and online. Radio Vision Training Center for the training there. And a young show fully practical. After more Konyalo, I'm attachment with radio station be open. I'm abundant gata ampa uya isenjoni okunimi angasa. I am who I am today because of Robite and so person radio presenter, broadcast journalist, and a media professional party for registration form, our phone desk of 97.1 FM, Laura, and our 0543 091 532, and now 0244 570 836. Young first batch of radio broadcasting students, and we also more professional practical attachment. I say, I will do FM, no more bomb than pa. Second batch, you need, and then join Robotech, empowering voices, building careers.
na company sem no oka tete sem no oka bako sem no oka ware sem no ajankuto aba papa na company sem no oka tete sem no oka bako sem no oka ware sem no ajankuto aba.
Hey, Mo bibi akwa babiom. Obe sheet. Obe sheet wati. Madame Daze. On Champa Bois, j'ai doublé. Amboulé. I don't pay. We've been country. Hajia say a friend. Hajia, what do phone? Your friend. Hajia no pay a friend. Ebia na open down high. We are just good. Dino me will be our mission. Do so our rice make quantum pony so single room double and as a chamber now my friend 0546 32 4647 open down high Fred Kutomi or down home. Ya boati ma ene bebre na ba so eje kuto star eguo na o tie wi mo be bisa ye no bebre aba mo bre ya boati ma ebuso de bo so nyede ya de oboa on say obesity da They shall go moto say what them buy. Was upe moto abra na kache. Moto bia upe bia obi wo ho. Sanso na wo. Yes papers are who moto ubia. No. Or Yeremo Station, that junction is so. 0249 762 859 0249 762 859. Oh, you're the Paco store. So, why you're the papa and a walk with Tim and Temoa? Why Costa, what all a Remunam? Remudam be anyone of my woo, and Ramicoto or Dabo. It's all fun. Open more, do a hop. Opa can't hear you a hope you could see. Watching a pesse for you. The boy, yet, so Enoto, eh? Akukota, Akukonsa, Akukonai, Akukochi, Akukoko, Akuko, and Sanina will be a hop. Some will be tilapia. I'm a name. Uncle baby toy. If you Rara Jabrevana was an echo, library Honoma, a hopper and a walk with 75 so. Then was 0256 757 599 0256 757 599. And they may be on the top petrol. And they, as a wood kitaka, which may be a woman top petrol, and a boy with my year. That's a boy, a China Kutano, and what day. And it is up a petrol, up a diesel. We are making from our air lease petroleum. One more hour, Rara. And the migrant upon the soul would do a year. They have directorate. One more opposite pair on a lease petroleum wall. Was it one petroleum there? Little beer, beer, pepper. One you see, what you go care most of your house. One more India oil, who do be our home. Was your lubricant and a papa? And they are no baby. I have free mono. Can't go baby toy. The boy ye pa. Liz yo Liz. It's over so I'm sorry. Liz petroleum. We are kada ko. We are driving near ko. Now be young for swore.
Live in your speakers. Your Dream FM, working 24/7.
FM 97.1. Laura, I'm ready.
The more I don't play with you. At the same. Osi wiase mo mukasa mu nyina. Esisi esanse erefie rade. Cigarette num. Anu na ekuya e. Esisi ya ho. Se prepare ya ho. Entro sam. Woni na toso. Jedu play. Ambule. Ejumani eni die. Woto ade. Alo pe mi chia o. Ochiami asante. Ochiami asante meka ya wate. Ochiami apomu to say. What be you we was sport rodum. Rasaki park in so. Mo man diesel mo. I pay dynasty with you. It's only Gugu. Bakaso to say. Anything some cow say, Mommy, papa be and a boss here. Now, ensure I actually had a woman share so. Mammy, young say, the woman quite for my young woman bread. And son, a woman says you. Anything what the bones here, and as I can say, Kroa akosi eye ensuo ne so. Sale be a wo mo kwa. Ombenya ne omde be sensuo. Eni na nsan ni na enu. Papa na kwatam Kroa no afiri ensuo ne so. Be se bosome na maame ne kwa obre. We na dakro bi maame ne kwa ensuo ne so. Se wo kwa ko sensuo. Bo wa na papa ne bae. Se papa ni we ne free ne ho se de o etimi ho se ne mpanyi se boni nsumenti no papa ne ba no kutaku Kroa no amene ni bon ne so pe na se wo papa yi wo ye ni pa boni wonye Kroa ye de mede abeto eye ensuenso aye nyina ye de esensuo no watam de ko ade na ye ni pa boni sa papa ne sori ya Mamuna kutukum the cocoa pie. Tata mamina sum. Say adena mamino 18 atam. You know then a chikwent menen kasasa. And I maybe so say mamino what the papa natem. And I went in atem. Hello of us lie.
I do.
Yeah, hey papa.
Mbuna juma moye.
Medasi.
And I can be the same family town. Why I didn't na you catch your also we read other way to me here.
I was going to be Kassan and Nimsa.
Oh, I asked the Panu, Bruno. Kuwanu see a media.
Media.
Now way any say.
Tis a on the day, my many any day.
Mamino, on some man painful. Now on come watching.
You.
Now I know Papa Bianca and and yet, the bird better be on some foul.
That's say, although Ajra,
Papa,
Yo, mawachi mawakwaba. Yo, yentie we.
Nyam California sam. Nansia. Man kwalo sunu kwa mo Bruno. Baba.
Omutie wo. Fosa me.
Papa.
Ebonama.
Opo njo
Melagbe.
Nti mo we ni clock. Let us juice ko
Ah.
Let us juice because let us do coffee.
Ebe nukata nyonu ale nupole nkubezigbe.
Now I'm a sure I'm wondering what for no boy. No, I'm sure I'm wondering the better for no boy. And that's a hell of a what you are.
Ta nyonu ane wanuka.
Look at the I never to go there.
Yo, Akpelo. Hello, within the sign of review. Hello. Hello. Within the sign of review.
But all may be correct one for man.
Maybe I told you correct one.
But your mamma. Oh, we are meet up Mimi Kayamia. Okay, in the budget now soon. A family I did.
You, yeah, that's it.
Hello,
this is an review.
That's all the fact that you welcome to
Makunta, I can't hear the door.
Oh, this is
oh, Jai. Meba, if you have me about.
Papa, I'm not to move. I'm not to move. Papa, I'm not to go. I thought I knew
Papa said, "Me or then a chicken to meaning Casasa."
I'm not.
Uncle Saman, you, Medas Minia. What's you met me a basso 0545 466 004 Sunday. Yeah, Minquaminia, at the say.
And you open your cash.
Hey, now, until here near Papaya, yeah.
Only man, no one of mammy, and I say, I'm in another time. Okay, no more put to bring no. Oh, Nana and Kabama, more Basu Gabby Bribisa.
Mo,
woman, a dear buy. It is a woo, yet, that's a wood teach you back. I wish I would teach you a bravo.
No correct.
Intimidate Miss Rano, Mamma, so some of the Yako, one year. Now what the scapo cross the Binia Cam and I open branch of Bruna, Nana. I did not come for Embrano, yet Embrano, branch and Bunia, Benjamin Brian, baby.
Yo, yeah, that's it.
You catch your buffer who did that.
Yo, what's the matter, Yamaso? 0545 466 004. That's how the message, Baba. Yakubu. Meton catcher. Yaya, Meton catcher. Nana teacher, I'll pay me chiao. Who am I from? Hello?
Yeah, I could do one.
Who did you say, Ufrefi?
Maybe me, Nicholas, yeah.
Ufrefi, hey, menu.
We can be free a car.
Mo, menu, my NTA.
Only. And now, okay, I have good traveling and present the two. We have been saying, come out of the
Martin, meet you. I tell for you.
A car for a dream FM. We are so much
Mo.
Which is a Mimma, I know a Tafran of a friend, the mammy, ya.
Yeah.
Papa, I got a bay for. Papa, near bay for.
Kasa kila mzee beyi na woni ni ase.
Mate. Papa ne tia maame no so tia. Nti o mutie.
Ndi che papa ni so me si o ye beyi fo.
Me da say. Hello, Dini say na frefe.
Dini ko ka se gaba.
Yo, ye ti o papa.
Ayo ko
Papa.
Papa ni je moye ni ko anko be mwanta. Imbo ko na ni chone ji said no man that can anko the plan.
Yo, yeah that's it. Hello, Dini say na frefe.
I feel quite a few because I feel like
Me ni na kwa message. Yo, with you.
That you mentioned me and you say so.
When you adwene o be ma no when you adwene bia say e say o de kura akoto nsuo no so.
Now we say so. No one
Otimani wa ha. Hello, did you say na frefe?
Itu kan kitu kada sigabla.
Yo, kwa mi yentie we.
Be ma anya de kwa ngam kwale yo mun kinu.
Yo, era se.
Mi chat.
Entuntum. Hello, entuntum. Oh, entuntum ntimi nyina so. 0545 466 004. And Chame sorry so. I'm to break us a bono eba. I just one thing. What is saying?
Ayo,
Boko. Meton catch you.
I don't go
Papa.
Okay, come here to school. Mbrano teacher ni o shima pa na zo here to talk about free we don't know what na mo dia for shime ni.
Ba ko di KKCK, ba ko so di Mr. Agbo.
Ka papa yin ko di eno.
Onukura osere, otia no osere.
That's it.
0545 466 004. What did he say?
I don't do me. I don't go to me.
Major so.
Amanya.
Major matter of voice.
Na one time I am in my guy friend.
Na mentia obi a woje me yere fi mi se mentia o.
I don't go to man see assembly. What's papa na ye den?
Papa no oni maami bi na bohye. Ena
Yo.
Ensu tini bi da wo mo hye ne so. Wo mo kwa wo mo nya bibia amfansa ji so sirba o mo de kwa fuom na na o mo de sisa. Ena maami ne de krowa akoto nsuo ne so a mo kwa o mo de sa nsuo. Na ebo so me na papa na fa krowa no e de asie maami na misa. Na da kro maami ne ko nsuo ne so akosa nsuo a obeye na papa no kuta krowa no. Ede aba nsuo so. Ana maame ne se papa oye nipa bone. Utimu ya den pa ade na oye sa. Ana okeka uni mu ma se mokeka na adwen kire no. Papa ne se maame ne ni nkwan se obekasa sa kire no. Na ne yire oda na chikura ntimi ne nkasa sa. Ena wabobba maame na sum.
I don't go to say my papa no ha o ti ni akire ne say aboa ye ho e ba e krado e ti ati do mi e ba no so.
Yo.
Me da ma say.
Me so me da say. Asi wene opra. 0545466004. Patrick Azari.
Yeah.
Hey, and don't me what you.
I'm old.
You yentie we.
You don't get me here.
Who they say and channel cook Paris.
You I don't do that. You can't happen. Nti sana ko feta fi on pen ga ngiro mbo binu. O ma nje ye ni na ku.
Na mo nim se mra ho.
Nti on gani yusu man no pa yusu ko be yo.
Yeah, that's it. Hello. Udi ni say na frefe.
Rocky boy mi kasa fi rara.
Yo, Rocky boy enti we.
Papa na ye mi ye kwa sa nya se mo fa se ma mpinifo no o mo ntwe na so ye because the osata se mi yiri kwa ntime nkasa ma no sa no nkwa na ye mi ya je se mi yiri bi na no kura no.
On fa na ye nya he.
Aha, nti oba no ye se ye tete no so nti o mo ntwe na so ye.
Yo.
O fa se ko ma mpinifo.
Yeah, that's it. 0545 466 004. Asem we would you know say? Papa na bunkotoji o pacho. Programs. Odo ya jira.
Papa.
Rose na me do no. Obi no na ere sa o.
No aburo ma me no. Anti na chong mo ko pa na ta ma duligi.
Eze de o se opacha ma me no so so mprint o mu de pie.
Ah, wa mo ni te aburo no. Bye.
Yo.
Eja omiyago.
Hello, udi ni sana frefe.
Ja me Nicholas ni.
Yo, menu enti we.
Ja ni etia ni se. Mpacho ma me happy yourself. Any ma me ya onye pia ka kuma dime feme da o se ku ya.
Mo.
Enti ya mo bodi a mo aka.
Happy yourself me ba ho beto ade nzo ni me. Mashada pa me ba ho beto na ade nzo ni me.
Nati. Omu beauty.
Aminim pa.
Ya mo aka di na se u se.
Sunday ankasa ya de. Hello, udi ni say na review.
Your call has been put on hold.
Oh, Debbie, hello nya juma sa. Programs transit na. Asem no ya Sunday.
Ya na ma sabe.
Ma mintie we.
Papa na mama shika no pa wuta. You sometimes bia. Mema na kasa ni gu ye hu.
Kase binum.
Mpacho ibinum. Gu ye hu ni mo ase ada papa ye enye. Na be kan.
O pacho o so ma me mo pa ne chantom de o ma pie. Program de o ma pie.
Mimi send say so pacho kwa dia. Ma me no so nto na ni hwe awrade.
No fan channel.
Yo,
where that's it?
Because
hello, Dili saying.
I am happy yourself.
Yes, happy yourself.
Uncle ni bana ko tan ko fo na ya bu papa na. I want na police case. Wa si no. Yan di na chi o.
Yo.
O di e se ya le da ho. Enti mo nya no na ma ni papa no ba ni mu so nko.
Yo.
Na bi anu cha.
Yo.
Oh yes.
Amen. Hello, Didi sign up referee.
Hello, your son that's what
Abiam one.
Yeah, man.
What the meka?
Oh, meet you. I have a man in the car. No fancy. Oh,
Mo medase. Hello, Didi sign up referee. Yeah, miniam ponsa.
I could do no.
And mamma to bombo.
That didn't to bombo.
Medasi teacher, I am great.
The teacher is all papa, so a patch or patch of the mammy function.
You,
Lemon, Oba sorry, I was on your mammy, or Pambon be. Papa, Miss Mewar, and send no Obiagin. Oh, teacher,
be careful. Teacher, because and I'm a minimum share, me catch was there. Yeah, we now you had your idea, me fan them out. Oh. Yo,
na nimi ababoka kama meno. Emede.
Yo, teacher mate. Programs. Mo say mo so ma meno ne papa ni mo pia bonten. Yes. Papa no pacho say ne wa ye menye. Afede wate ase se wanye ni. nti me kura no de na mo ka kire no ho
o se o hwe ne atiefo adwenkyerɛ atiefo de aba no exercise see fast line wa so nti e chopper no a wanye ne
na azumi se eye wabusuani o ma me unua biu na se fa ne se busuani o dofo bi na papa ya ne se ya nka sa me peka otiase kwesi na mi bisa o
ezubo
o se ne di kan moko wafu mu a musuo
okay
akana mamrem
okay
se oba ne oba ko wafu mu mutwadwan obema ne obema moko wafu mu a utwadwan ena obema nso bo oba wafu mu a utwadwan
na ho fo oba wafu mu a
eno kura de bro ayi eno de eno so utwadwan ndi yan kuntokwa wafu mu uni menti atisa
dabi
mi bisa yesi fumu we no to da bia na nipa ba ko mienu pene wafu nti anhwe ya ebufuo betimi ama odi bibia ba nyonko na ku no asim pembe bre
keni e be
asem kro no enka eyefi a ko bi beka se munyai
okay
no wakanya nsasem na mienu atomaso
yes
ti woni obi nya asem wafu mu yenko odi ba fie bebo amane nti se maame no ekasa tia papa no nukure mu a nka ommeka wo fie se maame na tu nanim atua
okay
oni kwan se ode ne sa bebo maame no wafuom ya chiri de dua ne boneka
okay emuda opa
oti ase
emuda
sisi ya yewo studio hayi mene wunya asem na obome a obi ante nse obi ani ha ebi asem kro no se nka obi gina ha ko betimi aka se omunyai ne bia wonim se oye ni se a nse asem nchire mu ema akoma ba fom
enokre
ni so maame no so ne nkwa na akwa fom ena papa no so nkwa na akwa fom
nti
obo no na tim oto ho a
asemasi
wakuno
emuda ho
enti papa no yeyi chawpa ni nyina free mu a ese so twadwan bona wa boma me no koso abunu wafuom
ti we amamre ni amane
sa se ati ase
emuda ho pa
esan say nia haban yensu nkyere omo mechero ase why
e was am kofa no so
mechero why
ejana na chama
na chama foche the ombita
was he say what man be aba
baby ho na bullet no kai
okay
ano pe bullet no ma fire ba ko
bullet na no shi
ewrade na bullet dey obo onu mo di do off
yan charge ya ora kiki
aje aye sorry fi aye ba ho ye frɛ na
o chanso na esala no
chira esala
ya se kwachia mu
debi aje akɔ asɔre wɔ ayi o asɔre na wa ha no
ono onye
debi onye mosi
ani aje na ese aje
hwan obi a akɔ meka bara ana mi di we di erbesie
ejira omuyago umba
Salam, good morning. Hello. Yes, Udin is saying. Yo, me am a quajo, Mason quajo. Yo, meet you. Oh, there be, but call a young to store. Why? Count, who do I own a boy?
That is an okay.
Hello, this is Fefe.
Jamasa Basibiana, Niamigua Kacha, and Bisa said, what up, you know, now so back.
I'm Omobaba, and Necro,
I get you. Yet, Yanni said, yeah, Billy, next thing. And she had your time, I'm with the Benny, and Military.
For a chija, why?
But I say,
for a chija,
but
happy yourself for a chijano.
But
you
and the Michelle, you are Cosmos and a fairy.
Or so.
Me
from Frephobia. Oh, aha, number Mammy crying. Salam. Oh, Rara, good morning, my bro. Facebook, Dream FM 91.7 Rara. So, and I will call a YouTube says here. You know, because YouTube near that. Facebook, you know, Juma. The mom says, see a party. We call YouTuber. So, see a dumb. Dream 97.1 FM. Rara. We were to life. Sounds so, and a pem to break us about so about life. Ana midi jumadi NSA. So no ya kwa betrasi. No de pem to break us about pa. Achira no pa, you be say sinkonya. And you hodo ye dia to so. What you tell him say, ya mo bi wafuom. Ye nkum tokwa wafuom. O yes sir, we be twajan. Ye mfa oba e wafuom. O yes sir, we be twajan. And then you are someone for breath here, Naka. Many of form of much rich remove. Let's see what some man are conquering. Yan so anchor mura. Any show. Jiran so swa, what bomusio. Don't make us say, if you look up Mukra and cut a bambuasam and Chirano. If you are Benum, a Bukapu Mukra and Kabamu, and I'm Yari de Becumio. And I'm a bravo you. Show on Pesa. You show Robber Mupota, Robber Mukra and Casa 7 on Chirano. That's so, and I'll carry a dear some hombres you see what. Dear me, this war. Any sign of above Concron. Rawa this year, a junk toticus here. And a very metia. I'm no see. I mean, I'm going to Brazil. On your mabia, or ya dear power. You may be so hard on ya dear. Say, we beat the whole me and say no. Ah, good. Only part them bad on ye. What the other on far? No, on ye. Yes, say, dear, good. Good to Adio Kunkum Metia, Adio Nifawa, Adio Apollo, I'm a Lucy near, and a very Metia, Apollo no ho ye. Until you get your Amazoreso, until you got another bar. Tatai.
Broadcasting live in crystal clear high definition radio. Dream FM 97.1.
To Ghana, the Shimama Yamina, aha, Emma Kwaba, Eba Dream 97.1 Casafidia Suya, Docrumponya Copon Ase. And now Suya Benada Cotonima Bossominada to Swadonusian. And Fimpimino, any Adono Asia Munatas and 26 and now Cochalam by Yellow Nambana. Ube to me di Papa Pancasa Mexico Yamia. And then some Chico Bremai. And as Abia Samu for Asamukuja Cruchani in Arbun Krataswam. So I can come for Sian Nasi. Na yankin can be enfamao. I can come for Betty and can bri a me a fear etch and we are quite minimiaba.
Mami Usua Empress 1.
Kasiamo and Sama Edimo Akutini Ebi and say, Yaman Penny, His Excellency John Domani Mohammed Nei, what is she share Egu area Quantimposo Sabri Wabashe, say E visa, to me Ebeba, say bet me at Nafiania register your visa, your phone, so no, a bet to me Abason Wadini at me to Ja.
Also for Friday, you know, ewo huma siemu was seshiri so, Edin and Iswade Ekunu Atuja, Niabeko Akutiemusem.
Samson yadi ani betchim e wada so man na nya sam keto enso ato ahira fam 140 me andana tedapia be kona fa yakwakotie mu nsem
ahne popra for any oman ni nyina de omakosem atudwa ne be kwakotie asem no ani ekuruko
Wei ene elsema ka bia na samufu asamukuru chi sei na international fei yanken kan bi enfamao na yemfa sedama Amuzu Manufacturing Company Limited Amuzu P heba mesha wasidunum bi na oba na se bema nam yadewa adokoro wosen nokodboa atumi aboa wo ayiwa fidi ni nyina emo enu nti se godoni a ena ehawo enu achi ebe epua ye fra ne candidates ena ehawo ni nyina ayamuzu P heba mesha ena mekamfo ediamawo enu wachi ensansa bia bebu nkomo no so na se wo ma no so ni nyina ayamuzu P heba mesha na mekamfo de mama wasantumi nka bi oba nso bebu apampa edi akire bema wodun so a wote ya na afemo jasufi bi so energy entimi ba no ayamuzu P heba mesha ena mekamfo ede amawo pharmacist na fe heba shop nyina yatumi atwapete ewo meme sanse no ye nipa na wo ti ene ne mpotam hade anene rara lekan pharmacy bless na fe bia koye ebe ma obi aboto asegabasa kedem keje bi ye truth pharmacy Northern Gate Pharmacy na ya wono chemical shop just kan eye bibidrofie Northern Gate Pharmacy dambai ena wo El Claim Pharmacy be ma no do so promo 0241206632 eye ma from penny for ebejo so
Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture and capsules and so abajaswa eboa emane mema one hour sisi eku won say ya wo ye hohia enyeye won so awoto ase enti etwewa won so a wanya premature ejaculation wo de boss pan no wogu ho me pacho won so a wo hunam no ti say atenkana atekokra se network no wo ye ne hia enyeye man so a wo fichikomu how ha won ebi eba yayaya ebi so eba HSCC ni nyina onya Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture ne capsules here ebeyi ni nyina afri ho ede ama wa koko hawo wo honam nyina na eku anase wanum ato a bo modern ase won sabeka Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture ne capsules adu ye dipa adupa anti FDA for agi atum obenya bi pharmacy shops nyina mu oba otimantem hade arara benya bi Lekan Pharmacy Bless Chemical na bi akoye chemicals Abotu aseko Gabasa Pharmacy ena Kedem Pharmacy Kejebi Truth Pharmacy Northern Gate Pharmacy ena yaw no chemicals Jansi kanko abibidrofie herbal ena Northern Gate Pharmacy Damai ko El Claim Pharmacy na benya ndesopo etu ewo ho famina jinchemu echen media 0241206632 0241206632
House of Battery was a man country or suffer when it was ye Dr. Prophet Apostle Dan Kofi was a woman yadwa. When a many dear and we now about one of what to say their man coupon of Yemremo. What they know was Russian and my Wabeshe. Now face and Chilanian would you want me a dear man Yamima. Was so under your bonnet when what she would not be no but they can't say whom our dear spiritual marriage. What by any in a dear free what their mouth. Promise and fell after the you rock or your Peter. Nadia promise and fairness of Bam Faso. What did Dr. Prophet Apostle Dan Kofi and to me Encokodin Sawaso? Usika some enko ya kwanto hu some enko ye. Why ye mre won pem court case ni ebu akun for any. A House of Battery and I make am for the amount. And what them one ya hede babanko a. And ye desanya do and into the fidi hodwo. Aba obehwe ni padua mu na afi wabo na bibiduo no watumi ama obi wo say ya de to ase no ti ebo no mra na say Dr. Wotu ase na Yankopon aya adomahye no so freedom boso mene da idika kwasani da to so nan empa do chenchire nchepa no wode ba ba hyehye so woni Yankopon akodi nkita nsa abre so fo pon asan so ade nani ade akire mu ewo man kronkro Ghana mu a wode nani kirem shi aba oti ene ne mpotam eno nti sampa ibo kase fa ho hyembi na afi wo ha wodade atete ni atepo ni nyina emfiri usonko wo beta akade ne bebre say ya no nte wo spiritual ring ahodwo wo be mo ni nyina bi na wo so watumi abo ho ba entena wo sa hwini wanka wo da wo nto opum eno ntifo ni ekirem na one Dr. Prophet Apostle Dan Kofi entumi eni sa so atakro wo abra wo tira police checkpoint wo na ko wonim kakra wo sani famo boys wa bone sosen e wo ho no ma Yankopon enam ne nsa so na wo ginya mema eno nti be friend e wo 053
Dan Kofi
88
Dan Kofi
44
Dan Kofi
66
Dan Kofi
9
Dan Kofi
na Yankopon enfa ne nsa so enye amwadwuma e wa abraboni mu
yo ni ekobro Win Enterprise ukodu bro Win Enterprise a otom bicycle ahuro ni nyinara bi e wo ho so pe mountain bike upe street bike upe forest bike ubenya ni nyina wo ho and sanso no motos ahuro e wo ho tipo achobo modern akwaje wo de brand BRB or Royal Motors wo ho boxes enso wo ho se boxer moto nso hwaju se huju yini ha ebi wo ho afense upe engine oil ahuro ni nyina wonsa ebeka bi wo ho auto brake fluid and a motor parts nina bicycle yi or one spare parts nso nyina ebi wo ho ubehu omo echi kwan e wo miami nsa omo wo ho hoi zongo omo ni MTN office na ene ben fama inaji enchemu echan media bi wo ho ubenya no 0242 176992 ewo hohoi just kan omo ben Coco market no omo numbers ni 0550 861443 na oba pando so a omo ogbefi road ne so hope famai 0558 285577 na oni omuni ensawaso
eno ni na ya homra na afi ya so wudi gade bebre a ya de a wo benya no ye be kire ewo ha wudi gade no anfa ni bra na say empate mu wudi travel heading wudi beli
Run this. This is Kendrick Lamar. It's your boy Wild Fan Lucian. Cardi B. Tucci. You got it. We running the game.
Broadcasting live in Crystal Clear High Definition Radio. Dream FM 97.1.
Enuti wanya kabro hajene na wanya bari na fe yanto aso na fe yankase yamfa kase no enchire mu emra na mesha se afi yampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na so ye ni nyina ene se ye nyina ye nim se ene Ghana fo akoni akodi ensenseme e wo South Africa mamu no edi ensempi ene tumi abasabre wo priase ye betumi akofa wono ma watumi edi ensenseme e wo ye South Africa man mo eti wo mo ababedu oman mo eno ne ye mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na suafo a wono so sha ma no ne ho nsem so watumi akwa agina se esese wotumi eboa na visa dwumadie ne yetumi elanche bi ewo man mu na eno enanam so ma wo bodwa data na wode eye visa support ede ba ye se wetumi eboa na eye visa ahodo for say betumi eye vesa e wo kwan so na say yankwa nkwadan eye correction man bia na ne connection man obewie no watwi wadi obemu aton wuda mu niam nyina asa yankopon ya adom ochina ba be kwa brochire obewie ase na nda abonten brochire ne so awa anko ahwiri mi ahwiri yu ni nyina ana nam so ne ye man pani his excellency John Dramani Mahama odie ho na osesa de ne wo kwakofa esa EV support e de abasa de be ya ebetumi aboate memufo na watumi abo wo ho ban e de afiri fogere ho se obi ekọ oye obi man so na afiri fogere ho nsem na sika twitwi de wetua eno so bewie no na tesa ma no ne ya wanko wa wodan mu niema ne tese de ma esa kwa bia friends ye ka chense atemu de ba besi yankopon ya adom ochina na okoton ne da mu niema nyina atemu da na nsi ene woda abonten eno bi na tese eye kwa shiman for enso de ye Ghana for nti ena tese eye mampani watumi adwen ho sese ya no temu eye e-visa se de be ya obetena wo fie ne wo computer so papa no awawiye se ye be de atuma na se ye ngintumu eno nye sikase ye bia na afi wo so watumi ehunhwa no na wakasa mu no se eno otumi ede ne nsem etu eja.
Applicants will continue to undergo all the necessary vetting and due diligence. The financial barrier for African travel has been removed. What remains firmly intact is our commitment to security, order, and effective border management. Our long-term vision is even broader. We are envisaging a future, and I believe it is not far off, in which all people of African descent can return and travel to Ghana without paying visa fees. As they reconnect with their ancestral homeland.
Enunti wei eye sema ye mampani his excellency John Dramani Mahama etumi edetu aso wabra na EV supporter yetumi epa hontuma enumu ena tesesuafo a wono so ehwa amana no ho nsam so eso de nsam etumi etudwa se enei EV supporter yetumi ede eba no ebetumi aboa na eye omani nyina no se eye redeem ana se base dom hwiri aduanan enwotwe mienu entem no se wonso yetumi age wo visa atumi atum se yiweye eye se wotumi etukwan ekonkrofo aman so ana se amonone ana se yentumi anjintum no eye ennafo mienu pe ubehu enyande aye ba ye kona bra bosome afemfie miensa na eye vesa ba ko uda so di hu djuma wei eye na mienu pe na ye de ba bedi sa djuma na ebeboa ama Ghana for ye kwanto hu nsem atumi agina bra ne ede amayen.
We also are pleased to announce today that this e-visa portal, once you begin the application process, you submit all the supporting documents. You expect a decision to be delivered to you within 48 hours. That is how efficient the system is. So you will know within 48 hours whether your visa has been approved or not. So it's a very efficient premium service that we are offering.
Wei sema suafo wa hwamana ne ho sam so Samuel Okuzeto Ablakwa ena wode etinsemi etu eja.
Yeto so ani yekọ ensefoforo mu osoafo foforo yede no asi ehomasua no ewo sehwiri oso emansin mu ayefe no Mr. Samuel Tawia nipa ede nani soade hunu atodwa no say ehomasua yade a eye ebeboa ama oman afa ne ntemapa efra ne senti ewo se obi bia ede ne ho agim yemma entimi enko school na yemfa akade eho hia nyina nso emma nkwala no na no de betimi abo mu no mo so omatimi anya efficiency effective and accountable management of education that you say bibia omu hia bia no ebedoso no matimi abo ho bin no mo bo ho ban so wia ewo se omutimi di eho adansi anaso mutimi account for na say no de nsem etuja
and this one you brought here by the right so ya dabwa ma the question out that was a show so much yen the pipe plans akonepia obepo class na church obepo madena na mana fast that the mana point so there and here every year to efficient effective and then accountable management for education. A church of 4.4, but that said headmasters, headmistresses. One day, Mr. Poole and then the different say effectiveness, any efficiency, and maybe to Abuama, the school, and social council. Actually, the young school. And then the more money and the more it's right to present now and more was a year to enter the pool. Yet it's what you and say the member now to snap a funny apart after that was it's quality.
Sana homasua befa ne ntima pa efra ewo municipality ni munti. Oto aso ebo atichafo no abaso ehye won se wedie won fa won ho engine na won hu nkola ne se omo a won ma a woni woti fie no mayi won yam a kire omo ade ne sa aso no enkola no betimi asimi asua ade ni ye no ma hu abanyini abaye mpani pa na sei no de ne nsem ni nyina bi etutu
ma bia wo ya ne bia wo bia no pa ye na fe ye adwumaten abo a o man Ghana and so ni na ho plali ma ya ne se de bi se me de adwumane e bia me akara na wo che na de no fa se wo abuba e ti fa ya obi hospital o ma de no se wo ka kire no sa se bia wo ni se de wo ba and obi che na de airport am kana na so India, I decided the teaching should be yeah, from the first year, but I know when you should be not quiet. Yeah, your officers and you're far up my part, and they are more paying Steve, and yet you want to have one mile.
Anyway, any ensema Ora Samuel Teria Onipa editu eja.
Na meka o se dream 97 not ado eye prem to breka se bo na wo so wasugusu a wotie no ne masi ship wo se men kan kire se NGO wo mo so eye adwuma ko wo mo hya abanya so ne momodwen Ghana fo ho nei aban no wo ne wo matokesa wo be boa na honam dia bia atumi adidam watumi aboa no amana siniti bia dada mu biem eno nti yo bia wani mu kutwa a wunti na masi ship wo masan ba Ghana mu biem hye ye operation ya yetumi eye wo ship so nya asem keta special eno nti woni omo eni nsawoso cleft lift na fe cleft pallet na chese wa podge anasa wa panta na echima hwebe nkuma na nifa wano na echima yese ni nyina wo beboa na fe ni nyina no watumi ayi ade afiri wo ingwini ahane na chese etodanta na chese etuna suye pa wo behwe na wayi ni nyina ade ma ade na bra enu atie bia na tsa honam no ba bia hono na ato asensen sama honam na ye bibia wo ho ni nyina enu ni ye kan se honam so ma no ni nyina wo behwe twetwe ni nyina ade afiri wo ama honam dua no enso atumi afa ne ntampa ade afira kata de ta ye frede se ete ena ebo wani fira ni nyina wo behwe no we ete no ade afiri ho e bia na tse eye nkwan na ahye wo so hye ahwe agu so ja ahye ama honam dua no ahye ama tse wodidem ni nyina no wo behwe na afi we ni nyina fra waye polege ene amonfra wono so aya nanta ne nan no ani achimachim na beka bomu aye waye ne nyina obaye ne kama na atene nan ne kama edi ama no eno achi bia na oba wonsu sa efabrodu edi unya e bia na nema bia kokoko hye wudunso twani mu ani nti da oba panyimu a wabo abrewa wo madua sanje abanyen na wo dwonso ne nyina wose wobaye ne kama ka edi ama koko na afifiri wa bi wobehwe na afi watumi atwa ne kama edi ama ene nti wotime kwa registration egusu a eda so ekoso enu nti sabre uwo eye bia koye ene ne mpemu a ne nyina no wodi wani ebechirem ewo Rara Regional Hospital say Rara Government Hospital na afi wo so akwa registration ne kama na hye no so se wukoda bia registration no enka ho enu nti frɛ eye apart from say Wednesday dia kan nyina wo betumi akona afi akwa registration ne bi enu nti wo so wo eye bia koye ene ne mansin mu a ne nyina no watumi akwa registration na be ya time ne so say ye akwa eye operation wo so watumi aka ho bi
Peace Kaba ointment abadwa so a eboa emema ne nkola so wanya kata apebi twitwe ko mu menkosum asra na hwima beye hoho bo modi atiti bi shasha omomaso ni nyina ebete amanako wonso ahonam yaw edi wunya wakwa ye adwuma bi honam nyina etutu apenso dware pebi srasra obeda sori na bibia ye fine ensa wona atiegu honam ani anampompo na ehaw oho keka o seye a wo ye ho hwea enyeye bo modi asa obepenso dware wia pepiska baibi fasrasra ebeyi ni nyina afri ho edi ama akwala ketewa ne ho ayehye penkuto na fa bifra boni sonyu fasrasra no ne ho ebeto no se ewanso na oba fashe no fo na fama ne nom obeda sorry no beyi amaman no ama ne ho ato no edu yedupa enti ewo pharmacy ni ba bia yeton eduro fda so age atum ntu barara ubenya bi bless chemical ena bi akoye chemicals abotu aseko agbeka didi ya obega boafo ye na benten ena gabasa eni omo maka ni nyina onsa ebeka bi Kwame Chrome ko Gideon Kedo chemical shop onsa ebeka bi KJB ko Truth Pharmacy Jase kan ko Bobison Drug Store and Northern Gate Pharmacy Rara ko anti Apisoku bi ko anti tokoho and Rara so Government Hospital nanim hopen so ubenya bi ato Fama ina jinchemu echen media 0243219501 0243219501
Yentu akasiye no so ensem foforo na yetu ese na me de mani echirem ewo da so man na wode wani chem ho anya asem ketoa timamufo asabre wono ma wo hode sutire pa na eboye mampani so jodo mani mahama ene na abai so se ene womu nya ba bi ntina ne nyina ene se eya asase a womu edema womu se wonsi dan chese alatafo na ade beja asase na boso na chese ensuo da ja honom ena chese wasisi dan ayi gota no ede atoto ba bi na gota no so nyina anu kohwie ewo amanfo efia nsuo to anya asem ketoa ene amanfo eda ne mpata ewo honom a enya asem ketoa empata womu eni edua wode besumi nsuo na chese akwa ye den ewo honom a enya asem ketoa nei timamufo esufe aban se aban no mra na fe wo meye wo mumwa enti wo mo so a wo mo ho akwa adwam wo se ma wode eto adwa
Bro me say asase na bi da ha no o ma tonton man awota fo no e na mo sisi apartment se se enso no ta enye ba bi nfa ene na nsa nya me pe ya kike mu o ye be mo na me ma fi abonti e be bi be ni le ni yiye e bi pie ya therapist enti ya se o man pe ma hama ya mi si fe o ba ha afi ya ba ku MPP na wa ha fiti slate e be sia aso ya do ba ko se ya nya improvement bi fi amo ho ene ya to ma reverend enti on se reverend do on ma je yen fi ha ese ya bra papa me no fi school ba ni na nsa ni na attention ni me ko dis ka wa yi enti manchame no nkna so pani so ayi se no omon bla akwasiamo
na efe mi de bibi eni medu na ebo 430 intiminda it mean pia bontimpu ntutum high 1 2 ifio ubeda na what ifio ncho eni for the nkan ube wa na owo mi dollar nyama bebre yes, you see a bar embassy. I didn't be Pambos, but see a Pambos Lucy time. To see a gata who created one on my direction, am I here? It's a direction of a man. On my man, only created gata, no means I won't think to me. See the gata because I guess I'm blocking your home. No, I'm directing coding for car because I want to make gata no jawo because of you because land so na there. Any fine, any right. And someone say more having na more water log area. Water log area. Everything I share 50 top bar. Sana na ya family level sa edeba. Family sa level need lepa. It's edeba no. Come so so boy no think to me my water log there. We are the kakara ka feel no one space. Kakara. We let them the water will find me. It's no case issue most maybe back into someone that into ko da le ti pe saba. It's I don't know how na mo into Nti ayentana so that. What you are saying not.
Also you mama. Can you any see neighbor and one the fire fire mama never tell what them one today neither so could no see what I mean penify what can you women penify what's about to me what's supposed to by heart I mean all by heart I saw daughter I said no and I want you when you're not to me Friday come as you continue each of tilapia here better go can you tell you I can't show you then continue it should be fair tilapia do what the fire mama
and it's in your some mama not to say what you miss and cram for any bro upon some catua. Nina, and as a watch them soon a minute one more. Then I'm so am I not more penny power, one also at that so at that a year not more penny a year at Jumaquano, a young cramp Punimantemum. Dennis Nate at Jano, and as I one also didn't say Matuja watch him say, Sanyama echo swinging out what the whole a yansabo, a bobo a blakuma. Yemra shana say abanka chipania wono so ewon potemo so woro de na adwumu de nkobesra bansa bai etuni nansi fom na de ne ho ebo mu bia san say wo mu ekotwa asase e de ma obi a wo mu enhwede wo sika na wo paninti won hwe se de eye da chen de de bebra to wonchi me de bebra timamu fom na afi watumi atwa asase no e de ma no eni nti wo mu emra na wo ma ye hwehwemu obi a wo asase e wo san potemo ho no se wo mu so e wo permit se wo permit de na echese obi e na atumi ama no tumi ata says what me esidan e wo honom na asasa so pade ana tete MC ene ne nkrofo a wonom eye adwuma e de nsase e ma amanfo e wo ntam ho no eno de na chese wom ensan hye om nyina wom enfa mra wom enyina mranim na afi wom pa wom nyina emfiri office we san se wom di madwuma wote wa wom eye
massive when person can make us. But I am putting the MC of Ablukuman West and the municipal works engineer and the planning officers. I am putting all of them on the spot. I am going to report to the regional minister. Some of these people will be sanctioned because buildings are not built in a day. If they were demolition, the last house was demolished was this one. And they've sat now, okay, all these places, they feel in air core. And these are some of the problems in terms of flooding. If you talk about flooding in Bahrain, and all these buildings, where I'm instructing my son in that directors, how many works they should mark all these properties. We will pull them down, but we as the media too, we want you to look at it. We are just all counting about demolition last time, and get back not dying be any animal. Overnight, now for the feeling Bahrain, and these are some of the things. You Juma, the person of mine where they are causing, but be mutual for if you have fire, it's a king for no the blame will go back to president. President, this one there, I am putting the spotlight, like I said earlier on the municipal chief executive over here and the works engineer and the planners. So I'm betting now saying no offices don't bet there. Then they should sack all of them. Because we cannot go over and over coming back on some of this. But we have been taxed to take charge of all these areas. And so you come and check everybody here whether they have permits. And if they have permits, then they should sanction the whoever issued the permit for the people to build on the waterland here. We are tired of all these things. The engineers, the planning officers, all those who sat, all those who are in charge of allowing these people to build there, they should be.
And into way a ni brain soja a director Dennis Nate Ajana on also a nadmo director ewo enkran popuni mantamu ena wote ne kan ne abra wo che so wakasakura ma nyasem ketua adwan de den so ben den
yet was na ye ko sehwimansi sehwi osomansi ne ekro ba ko ho a ye frɛ no ahokwa na ahokwa yi ewo Western North region ni mu na ohene a owo ho ede na kosem ene timamufo de o makosem akwakoto DC MC anyone a wo mpotem ho ne so wona woka bia wom si wombra womwa ene sen omakwan nyina enye nsuo kra wonom enye omo electricity anase kanea ho nsem so enkoyie bia bebre wo ho a wonni kanea ena wo chip compound nso a ewo ho fa no wasrese wombra emeye bibi emfa homma won na cheso mu hia electricity extensions akompotem bebre ewo omu kronimu na wei ena ode ne nsem etudwa kan ne sei
na the ten say 87 ena ekwan we omu be yi fida road be yi kwan we me nam so nam ya akwa ketekete kra ene ke obi amanya aduma nya 50 years enti ye frem panifo say ho pakra pro eka yo so ho a ene omumla na ye kwan ma say so ensu ya yam ensu eye mfa say ekula ena eye enkwan nyina hey Sophia ensu ya yam no say nyankopon anto nsu ya ama yamfa robbers ansoso nsu ndia ensu ho eden wa ha so nsu ya emponchene ne nsonso wo mu eno na ye no mukum ha na so na insurance omuma yibi de toso mensa ene ye clinic no ye clinic enye kura into clinic no sisia na fie ba ko ena ya ya de clinic sisia safie no omoji ehefa na clinic no eko into sa chips compound omonhwe na omuma yibi light extension no prepa light extension 99 ena light ba na ye standard light ye bibia sisia hwe ba ko na du no abai into yesro omumwa ye na yenye extension no kama so biem eye street box so box me ye kro ye can street nsusu a ye mubi sisia se jahehye bi to ba bia ye fa obi fi akora ufi se sa sa maka but meka omunfi me enti yesere mo fanko afidin na mo nko na so ma idwosofo no nti se omomra ho kwa emeti street maye isi akro no baya na ebai enti omomra meti kro no street maye just light ni street no a yetiti ni ban lebo aye yetiti first street no
enti aban no meboa won wantiti street no assemblyman na okrom ho seme ko bi manka bia ena enye na ode hye okache omun kran se insem a omokika we nyina ya dia ode ato DC ne MC na owo MP na owo ho no anim na omode niema agu akwan mu se anche omobeba abaya mom na sei ena ode ne nsem etudwa
you say the question be meet ama medical to jaw ti bibo ho ana say mo agya to me ka say ye dia ma contract Mse enche tibia umbara na omabe we kwandi ama ko nso engineers omabe fa kwan so ayo civil na ediko efa insudio no so ona bobento na dawo ma na ya o ama insudio ba ko na di ba ko nka na mesre ndi na kan o me yintu ma me ene se anka o me ye meka na edi ma me ya no se oni ebe manual wa ni bi na ehiam kese maka but ene di e ko nse mbe ni manual edi ama me na efa extension se na na o kan ene ko extension no ati mesmo to go na mo na ona bobento Emma, the news ever side. Unfortunately, we do Uncle Campbell. See, Kuni, the Campbell, but by an indicator in Kuma 21 or Medical. The Kuma 21, we say this will be clear, maybe announced some other to us. I already in their mind. If I cheap compound, so near Casampo, the charge was almost 4,000. Where I can say we are supposed to be. And also, they are quite simple. And one now went to prayer or I say, Yamia, or the engines for the backside. Now, you're the Yaka, one coffin or the Yaka. Nti mesem no for say omuno be street no dey we new site no be a creating new site no could campaigns no me am be say omuno yesu di my no we say it no edidem kama we dey bit ma bua yo when na metu na mo for ku
ene na assemblyman waja die emoni wajuma eda na se assemblyman bia so enye sai bebo apa
onye hyemkoto Enetina ye debejina aya assemblyman aya sahiyo so ensensemi so na fei kasi ebo aya samufo esamukuru no ye de ni nyina esi na adapt symbiotic technology One US abridgment woman AC research services wamaka watama boni wase wabe bwana fe kuafo wamsu o say ye wona baya atumi afukama kama eni nti se obedua ba bia wode na ba ebehye fom amana tumi afifidie eye fa bayo ensure fafa odi afasa sound bodo ni sekuto adua ba ohia massage odi massage no fa bayo ensure no fa massage kama owi adua asase na fa show nyankopon to supagusu na fe otumi fifi ahaba apie soro nko ade a bayo tanko enso dia wo beye ne se obeboa no na je na so emwa bia ebetumi aba so na ase ye no watumi ekumwo ade afiri wo nya ahoden aso se doso e dia ma wo se okuani faye edoi agrochemicals biam ya to apeti ne mo woti ene ne potema jasika eye Elhanan agrochemical big agrochemical Kenzato agrochemical kajabi ena wo Blood Redeemed Agro ono so be mo bi e wo honomo that part junction God is good enterprise rara assemblyman opoku agrochemical na fe aboto ase clinic runabout any onuru na to the 20 simakwa ni bia AUB ediko dia no ba ye enti frɛ e wo 0246 719532 0246 719532 eye bio ensure na fe bio tanko eye akuafo na fofo ne wo mutimu so kwaje bi
Ten cellular nutrition and natural remedy where ye enupa aba a food supplement na say odidi wi abetimi afa ebeboa o amani pedua na agina brane omo the high nutrient super calcium powder aba eboa ma udompe mu eyedin yenso a menopause ache yen ai say ya fe na eba na say aba wie dada bomode apebi ebeboa papa what the latest calcium so aba eboa ema wadwe emuda ho kama afen so eboa especially yen ayanya menopause yekitade no pa na che hwehwe bomode a unsaka bia ebeboa ebe purpose efri so ebia wo ho na onse wo so say ya na say uti na popo bomode akopa bi ebe yi nyina afi ebe slow aging na say unyi chen wo age a ebeba na ba form na uni wo age ni nyina e pepepe omo di oral care herbal toothpaste so aba eboa yi anumka kaka ne ense a etu moja anumkro ni ade ebe yi nyina afi ho ama so wetimi aka so sem wo de wa no ba na obi adeleti ekobomode a se wonsa ebeka bi be yafi ho ama super calcium powder no so eyema enkola akola e wose wonante ye ne widiem ayemre oria ne di agro ebema na gina no wetimi anante kama agne na afo akodi agro akola nso a ofinse foforo betimi ade bi asrasra nanum ebeboa ayitipaye ne ahodo nyina afi ho ede amano oba pinfo so ubetimi anonum bi eno na ebe makwala na oda wo yam no ne ho ayeden ne du broba ochen sabot na so unhu ato omo the things limiting so aba ebe boa ayi cholesterol ewo onipadua no nyina afi ho na so abaye atia magi a o mission sounds na wo you ebe bo nso no ho ban se na ebe ya toxins bia na se efini nkekai bia enhaw omo the 10,000 capsules and so aba eboa o cardiovascular health na se wakoma no se na bebobo bia no eboa ne papa na we eye e de ma wona wanyi pa enti cancer so na hawa mansa enkabi wonso ayamtim ene wa fadamfo mansa enkabi what the lipid metabolic management team so aba eno e hu ni padua na akwa nyinam kama e de ma se na be ya ohaw bia e be feel so what the grapevine extracts capsules and so aba eno mema na 1 minute no ubegina swa ama bibia konkan we any ndro ni bebre na ene wo maso ye ope omachi kwan a wo da mai Metro Mass Bus Station na chi hope market ni mu ho fam mai na jinche mu echen midie 0542 407 334 0542 407 334
Ghana Prominent and Achievers Awards was a National Awards Award Emma. Nanya Kupa Yadum Dream FM Yansu yet me enya nobini. Enya some keto a best sports show host of the year. And when Sabre said ye mutimi Emma Yakwaji, a best news anchor of the year, no Sabre, a best sports show host of the year, and a woman so assigned so Ediaba. And when two Peppa Ewa Rishimu, say a bayube to me at to be a. Nehiano so bebo star 4 447 star 714 hash star 447 star 714 hash. Now also what to me abo now we are obo pe ebema eye options na fe what select vote ni we are na what me enter nominee code no eye TS73 na fe ye number of voter o pese wutumi eto enti madodo o pese wotu se aduro no aduro kono aho no ha wotwe ni nyina wutumi eto ema ne yeye na watumi abo ede ahyem eno achi wabo awie no options beba na fe watumi abo 1 na obo 1 na ebeba se confirm amount eno nti sika dodo a wo pese wodi tumi ede to aba no na wabo ede ahyem eno achi wo momo pin na wabo na fe kunkrom na atom na meka ye abia na ye wodi so wo na second team madam an kwantra yira wodi abo mobo number yi na fe entwa short emfa mawo 0247 390162 0247 390162 eye enoko yeboa ene yedian ewoso na emo mebia na wo hye obi na pese odi sika eja no ema ne de ba ne hia ne se wo bebo dume fem fopunum se me de sika amasuma se de be ya behu na afi ya ba wonka edum se wonso watumi ato abane bi na wonso no atumi ayefe se de mo ye ma ne ye fe kane no wonsan so enye ma no enye fe biom
Mockley Herbal Mixture eye dra apostle Jacob ede aba adre ye dupa ehu eyi adwuma papa eboni pedua ne ho ban from head to toe afiti utwinwa no kosi ubore ano ewo na ase eyemu adwuma pa eyi srade a honam na nasa ni pedua ne hia ne nyina efi uni pedua mte ma otu asinti atwetwe no ne nyina atwetwa ema mojade efusane ye woni pedua mu wa usisi ekun honam nyina ye oya wo pesa onya black tummy anas flat tummy nase o sote bomodi asa wo sa hebeka bi ai one na take akra no wa bread pebi ebeboa wa stroke mu yare e how be patcho diabetes na di unya and now the constipation ni matimu ye ho hye anyeye ai blood pressure bomodi ansa beka bi wa koledi sorry wo yembe ye o yase ye o ye ho hye anyi bomodi ama ansa nka bi shualege fo no bomodi ankoto bi we extra salad fo no ono nombia ebe na ne kakra ye fi ho na adwo kama ama bibia konkan ede ama edro ye dupanti ede fo age atum obanya bi pharmacy shop biam obarara ha dia Colican pharmacy ena rara bi akoye chemicals sa ebeka bi ho keje bi ko truth pharmacy ena togbe drugstore jase kan eye abibidrofe heba ena Northern Gate pharmacy abotu asiye agbekadidi ena Kedem pharmacy bando toko kwa amenuveve drugstore osabeka bi bando ankasanso ye Sabato pharmacy hoho ekovedi pharmacy ena Sabato pharmacy onsa ebeka bi rara Accra ko Kaishi drug lane Rupas Ventures onsa ebeka no dosopo atu ho uba kwa mikromu so Gideon Kedo drugstore benye bi wo fama inaji nchemu echen midi 020-938-5503 and 0246-475-162. Opesa ukachia papa no sheda anti chisa enti fa o interpreter ne fa number we 0550-270-856 0550-270-856.
Sakumo phone sese men kan chiro se fa phone be da wo mu na fe how bia ne chimato bia ba ho no watimi aye ne kama edia ma wo enu achi wo be ye photo shoot ne dia ma kama wo wi a wa frame wo ye o picture no atimi edia ma wo enu achi award plug wo ye bi t-shirt wo print bi posters na fe banner stickers ahodo nyina wo ye ho adwuma e ho nom enu achi wo sanso tom phones papa ye quality enye quantity enu amunisa wo so rara krodum ha ya wo me ye adwuma free Monday kwesi Friday anopa na wotwe se nwere nunum na mbom hye no so ye oda biara ya anopa na wotwe se nwere no miensa rara concert house ana wo sabetumi aka wo mo 0543 761811 ma ofra wonum ebeje
Maunam Enterprise say or the plastics aba plastics ni ope bia onsa ebeka bi ewo ho na ye efwa ma say obetimi atu aton kra anyamfaso bebre e wo so ntin ha ho ko jase kai da mai ohoi ana krasa wo kakotobi dabi odi mattress papa panso aba high density and low density e pa twanya ne amanfo twitwa no Facebook ni TikTok ni bi dabi we ye quality ai enti osebra ubetimi abeto no wetua ne kakra wo wi a wabetam wade akọ wode sumuye nso aba sumuye na ho ahoro bebre ani awpe bia wonsa ebeka ayemoto comment unna sorry na okon agene dabi pacho bomode ase wonsa ebeka bi odi nku waso bi so aba efu enwi pa nyagro enti wa uchinwi bubu anase se wo so the Lord has come your baba na say uti apa wada ni tipa bomode akopa bi 3 weeks pepe we be hu improvement so uchinwi ni efu kama ojusha na chi kwan orara krodua we mu a Hamadia Mosque no opposite pe oni papa K na odan krom fa minor ginchemu a e chan medie 055 811 9498 055 811 9498
Eni adikase na si ebeda samfo asese John so sam kuro nsemi mu kuro gina fe okuro ho so kasuka na okuro cheni na egu nkrata so odi bi maye kankanfo se yeso mekenkan bi emfa mamo eno achi se Cosmos na fe jedru etimi hwe mu gitumi se yiwe ye emfa mra mframa mo DJ Sky enso gina chire etintimi mfidie no eye mfuruma etumi ede mayen akenkanfo a awiabroti yenka eye me afie echa we yi akwa minimini aba
ma me usua Empress 1
etiefo amoso mutumi ede mafidie to hanyina yede mu nyina se ye source na fidie source e wo Dream FM etumi atoso e wo ho de ama